Hey everyone, today we're going to unbox the Xiaomi Wija Precision Screwdriver. This screwdriver is a 24-in-1 kit. The reason why I purchased this screwdriver is to open the MacBook Pro for SSD replacement, which this tool did a great job for that one. And I can say that this screwdriver set is really good for your teardown, especially for laptops and mobile phones. You can push the side part of the case to open. It has a premium build quality for a reasonable price. Actually, this screwdriver I got it in Amazon for only $17 US. Inside this case, it has a 24 pieces different screwdriver. Each of them has a clean and precise finish. So guys, what do you think about this product? Did you use one of these? Or looking for this kind of tools for a budget and friendly price? Well, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anytime. The top of the screwdriver has a rotating head for easy usage. And also, it has a good magnet that the screwdriver tip can easily snug into the slot, same as the case magnet to avoid from falling. And that's all for today's video. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.